too bright?
Yeah, it's bright. I don't know why the shade's down. I see you, Jojo.
Okay.
I see you. I got it zoomed in on you.
I was like.
Jojo acting goofy. Too goofy.
Too goofy.
Oh boy. They're very odd children. You wanted me to record this?
Oh, die! 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 I'm taking you down! I'm taking you down! Oh!
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay. We have here, it's November 28, 2007, and we have the cooking show. Sarah, Jojo, and Dad's cooking show. And the stars of today's show are me, Dad, and I have my two partners in crime here. They're going to help me cook today. First we have Sarah.
Hi!
And now we have Jojo. Yeah, he likes to jump. Yeah, he's a little crazy.
Yeah.
Come down, assistant. Yeah, this isn't a aerobicize, so it's not an exercise show or dance show. Alright, what we're going to do today, we're making some sausage and peppers with some macaroni also. It's going to be one big concoction that's good. High in protein, we're using a wheat pasta today. So, my assistants, can you please go get the sausage and peppers?
Okay, I'll get pepper. Joey, you take the sausage. You take the sausage. And these are horseshoe sausage.
I can't see you, Jojo. You're too short. You have to get on the stool.
Let me get the.
You have to get on the stool.
These are sausages.
Yeah.
These are long
We
sausages.
have some Hillshire Farm light smoked sausage.
And they're horseshoes.
Yeah, they're horseshoes. Yeah.
We have a red pepper and 2 green peppers.
Yes, that will be added. Add a little color to our meal.
Yep.
Jojo's still
Take the red
dancing.
peppers. Yep.
Okay. First thing we're going to need to do is cut everything up.
Yep.
So, we need, what's this?
A cutting board. Blue cutting board. Our famous blue cutting
Cutting
board.
board. Yes, this thing's been through a lot.
Yep.
And Jojo just parachuted off a plane. So, next we're going to need... Okay, next we're going to need a good knife for cutting.
Yes.
We don't have too many great knives, so we're going to have to use a steak knife. This is what I use for everything.
Pretty much.
Because I don't have a paring knife
Pretty
right
much.
now. Next thing we're going to need, we're going to have to figure out what we're going to need to cook on. So we're going to need a big pan to cook all this on, and a pan for the macaroni. So, can you get the pan, my assistant?
Yes.
Okay.
Where is it?
They're down there. Yeah, you're done parachuting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's our knife.
Okay, this is where we're going to cook the whole big mess when it's done. And we're also going to need a deep pan to cook the pasta first.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, one of my assistants is pretty weird.
How much pasta are we going to use? This much? This one.
Well, the biggest pan we're going to need. Cooking a pound, yeah. So we need this one. And my assistant, if you can fill that
With
water up to that line there.
warm or cold?
Okay.
What can I do?
What? Cold's fine. Okay, well, I guess you can just keep parachuting.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it.
I don't know. You guys can't cut. So, what do you want to do, my assistant? Would you like to... No, you have to be on camera. You're not on camera. Okay, never invite a 6-year-old to a cooking show.
I'm okay.
It's real weird.
You can say that again. Poopy-doo.
Alright, well, that was weird. But how many times are you going to the set. Okay. What we have to do is take this out. First we'll cut off the peppers.
Yep.
Alright, Jojo? What are you doing? Can you back away from the camera, please? Do we have security here? Security, take this guy away. Jojo, stop.
Stop. We really want to take this.
Yeah. Okay. You can't put the stool close to the camera, alright?
Yeah. Leave it back here. It cannot go past here. Okay? Can't go past this line.
Okay, why don't you guys can talk to
He
the
just
camera.
dove off a diving board.
Yeah, I know.
No, this
You
is
gotta look
going
at
off
the camera. You gotta make sure you look at the camera.
He dove off a diving board.
Okay, I didn't say you had to tell the camera, but anyway. So, if you guys want to tell, what are we making today?
We are making some sausage with a little bit of pasta. We're making sausage with a little bit of pasta. And doopy poops. And some peppers. And some doopy poops. 1 red pepper and 2 green peppers.
Yeah.
And poopy doops.
Okay, you gotta make sure you wash your veggies before you cut them up. You never know what's on them. Chemicals, whatever. So.
Maybe even some dog poo.
Yeah. Well, no, I wasn't gonna think that but
Even
I got the
dog
2 weirdos with me. So.
Dog pee too.
Yeah, well, okay, nice.
Yeah. Maybe
All right.
Leo's pee.
What?
I said maybe Leo could pee on me.
Okay, so we're gonna cut up the peppers.
Yep.
And
Then we're gonna take the head off of them.
we're gonna go back. We're gonna go.
Just do this
We're
super
gonna
Italian.
take a commercial break, okay?
Okay.
We'll come back when we get the peppers done.
Make some. Hi, welcome back to the kitchen chef.
Okay, we're back. We have the peppers all cut up in a nice bowl.
Those have nice colors to it.
They're green and red.
Yay! Perfect
Add
Christmas
some
colors.
color. What we have done too is we put the water on. The water's ready to boil for the pasta. And my assistants took care of that, and they have the pan out for me. Next thing we have to do is take our sausage out of the packages. And we're going to cut that up also. We have some Hillshire Farm light sausage, so in case you got a fat butt, it'll make it thinner.
Fat butt, fat butt, fat butt.
Okay, what are you, our wrapper?
Say that.
There's
I'll
the
take care of the wrapper.
You take care of the wrapper?
Yep.
Okay, you want to throw
We're
it in the
good.
garbage?
Yep, I'll remember. Not the recycling bin.
Or the toilet.
Or the toilet. That'll give it a big clog. Okay, that sausage looks great. Well, don't record that.
There you go. Get everything out of there.
She likes
And-
it. She likes to touch
Here's
meat.
another piece. Can you take that over there and throw
And
it out?
I don't like meat.
Okay. Well, what we're going to do, so you guys don't have to watch this, we're going to cut up the sausage. We're going to take a quick little break after my assistant goes and gets the pasta. We're going to show you what kind of pasta we're going to have. Why don't you tell them a little bit about the pasta, my assistant?
It is whole grain. It is new.
You're not in the camera. You have to take a look. Where you are in the screen. Back up.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Go shit. It is whole grain made with 51% whole wheat.
Why don't you tell who makes that?
Farmers.
You gotta look
Barilla.
at the, you gotta look at the camera all the time.
Barilla.
Okay, we got the whole wheat pasta here. Got a little protein to build some muscle. Show them your muscles, little man. This is what we're talking about right here.
No,
We're talking about some serious
no, this is
damage.
what we're talking about.
Okay, well that was kind of weird. And what we're gonna do is cut the commercial break.
Hi, welcome back to the cooking show.
Okay, yeah. Let's start back. And you know, we got a little music. I like having a little music when you're cooking. Okay. Well, we come back. The sausage is magically cut. So next thing we're gonna do, the water's still boiling for the pasta.
Uh-huh.
And what are we gonna need? to cook our our peppers and our sausage, we're going to need some olive oil. So my assistant will go get some olive oil for us. Can I have the olive oil, please?
Yes, let me... Here you go. Open, drain fast.
What?
Drano.
What? What's this? Drano? You can't use this to cook with? Plug up the toilet. Can you please get me some olive oil? My funny little assistants. Always in...
Here's the olive oil. Great pie.
You're not on the camera.
Great pile.
Back up.
Extra light olive oil.
Okay.
From Italy.
Italy, Florence. Okay, this is good. We're sauteing, and we're going to be sauteing. Our little walk frying pan.
Open your strings.
So, what I need to do is...
Shake that olive oil up like crazy.
I'm going to shake it up like crazy.
Like this, like...
Crazy? Alright, let's shake it. Let's pretend there's some music. Let's start dancing. Alright, that's enough. That was more.
Okay, there you go. I think that's good.
Okay. Now we put enough in
That
here.
looks like lime juice.
It's not.
Well, it looks like it.
Okay.
It's like lime juice.
Put enough
It's
in
lime juice.
here. Cook in.
It's lime juice.
The water has not started boiling yet.
No, it's getting close though. It's getting close.
Very close.
And we're doing the olive oil all around.
He's making the olive oil
tipping
go.
it all and he's tipping it all
What
directions.
do is put the burner on. I like to use the back burner so no one gets burned.
Yep.
Okay.
But the two front ones are the biggest. But I think he likes using back
Yeah,
ones.
I like using it.
That's why.
Yeah.
Because no birds are
Well, that warms up. We're going to wait
Yep.
for that to warm up. And in the meantime, we are going to take a little break ourselves. And we'll come back.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Hi, welcome to the cooking show. Yeah.
I'm flying.
Alright. Alright.
Okay, security just threw me out of the set and him. So that was a little, because we were sort of like taking a little break here.
Yeah.
Okay.
We had a little bit of water.
Alright. What we've done so far, let me catch you people up. We have the peppers now put into the pan.
I'm gonna get burned.
You're not going to get burned. You can hear them simmering now.
Sizzle.
About the perfect time. We put a little olive oil at the bottom. Good time to put the sausage in. Okay? What we're going to do is keep mixing it every few minutes. Let it saute in there. Our water's still about to come to a slow boil.
Yep, it's boiling a tiny bit.
Alright, how about you guys? How was school today?
Good. It was awesome. Guess what? In science,
Huh.
I didn't do
That
anything.
was a flasher.
I didn't do anything in science.
That's good. Okay, how about JoJo? What'd you do? Besides flash people.
You looked up your shirt.
Yeah. This
I
show is rated G, Joe. This is not rated PG. Or can you please stop flashing the audience? Okay, what'd you do
It's a
today in
little
school?
weird.
What'd you do?
I went to the bathroom a lot.
What? Don't you have classes?
I had an assistant teacher, and I'm gonna have her almost until
And
Friday.
my teacher is Mrs. Hayes.
Who's your teacher?
And Mrs. Hayes likes to teach sign language.
And
ILOVEYOU.
Alright, well, what's going on here?
I spelled I love you on the camera.
Oh,
It's sign
okay.
language.
Alright. Okay, JoJo. Now, we went on a little trip,
Yeah.
didn't we? Where'd we go?
Yeah.
Does anyone know?
To the Outer Banks in North Carolina.
Yes.
And I learned how to play pool.
You know how to play pool. What'd you learn, JoJo?
I play beach ball. And I won beach ball. And I hit myself in the head.
Okay.
First
well,
day it was warm, and the second day it was freezing. Brr.
It was cold. There was no swimming.
It was snowing there.
And
Yeah.
that stings sometimes. But it's still
It
great.
stinks, but
Okay, well,
Okay.
that's enough.
Let's go back to the cooking show. Never mind. See you.
Okay, we're back.
Ah!
Alright, where's my assistants?
You little person.
Okay.
I got.
Oh, hi.
What we have here is the, let me turn the water off for the pasta.
It looks
Turn
good.
it off.
It's boiling like a jacuzzi.
It looks
It's done.
good.
Peppers and sausage.
Yep.
They're still cooking. They're still sauteing here. So anybody want to, what are we talking about?
Hey, why are you tooting?
What?
Ugh. Oh,
Alright, they're on control now.
stinks.
Okay. Everything's going good here.
Let's get this all ready. Oh, we have.
Oh, we need the strainer. I need my assistant to get
yes.
the strainer. Can you get the strainer?
Here.
We need a big
What
strainer
one, the
for
big
the pasta.
strainer?
Yeah.
What? Yeah. A big strainer. Fine.
What would you like to do at this
That's
cooking
good.
show?
And a nice cooking strainer.
And it's very good.
Oh,
And
and we have
lets out water.
we have this movie here called
Alright, watch out. This is hot.
Just for Kicks. It's about two twins and they play and it's double the excitement and twice the fun when intelligent twins kick their way to soccer super stardom in this field good family in this field. Good family adventure co-starring Tom Arnold and feature I forgot that word. Camo by Olympic Championship Jones.
Okay.
And then
Before the Alright, we're gonna need a big bowl to put all this stuff in.
Yes.
Because we're making this as one giant concoction. This will be just a plate. So, looks like our pasta is drained.
Daddy,
Good.
Daddy's in
Bubbly pasta, look at that. That's
New
nice
York
and hot.
River.
We scrub this bowl.
Yeah. Let's hope that looks
Clean
nice.
in there, but you never know.
But just in case. This is our dad. He works for the New York State Police.
Oh, Jesus.
This is nice. He
And this-
is awesome.
And this is the Sabres.
Yep, it's perfect.
Favorites. That's one of your guys' favorite, huh?
Yeah.
Yep, but I like this one the best. The New York State Police. It has the state trooper symbol right there. He meant to show the Sabres thing, but he didn't. So
And this is
keep it on my face.
my favorite.
He's a little freaky.
This is my favorite man because I like those Sabres.
Yeah. Anyway, back to
Yeah, let's get back to the cooking show.
Yeah.
Alright, we have here, we
It
put the
looks
pasta
very
in the
good.
bowl.
Joey, could you go set up the movie for me?
Yes, that will be our entertainment tonight. After we eat our little concoction here.
Hey, this.
Yeah. Alright.
It's just like Gracie's. It's
Yeah. Cool. Alright. Well, today this is what we have. We will show.
Yeah, this nice stuff.
Look at this. This is good stuff. Watch out, Sarah. Sarah. Sarah, back up. Okay. We have here, this is what we made. Sausage and peppers. Good stuff. Seasoned.
Red peppers, green peppers. But more green peppers, because we like green peppers.
Okay. What we do is just mix the two together, and we're going to eat. So, we're all done. Jojo, you want to come say goodbye?
I got
Bye bye.
in it
Bye-bye.